It is the first software that it integrates in only one program, the control of lighting and devices DMX with projection of videos and sound files. This program is indicated especially for its use in discotheques, concerts of bands, musical groups, theaters and any type of events, enclosed like projection element on building fronts. It is ideal like support for any type of spectacle and audio-visual event. Between its most important characteristics we can stand out. First, centralization in the only program of all the elements of control, simplifying and optimizing all the functions. Second, he emphasizes for its intuitive use that it allows its easy adaptation any type of event and spectacles, from the simplest to events of extraordinary complexity. Third, Este system allows a human resources reduction on having allowed from our manual control up to an integral automation of the event. Fourth, it allows up to a control of 5 projectors from only one computer. We present to him a general scheme of the devices that are controlled from this program. Creation of discs of photos. Creation of discs of photos and files DMX. Creation of discs of subtitles. Creation of discs of videos and audio. Creation of discs of video and lights. Creation of discs of files DMX. Creation of discs of audio files. Configuration of the manual control panel with files DMX. Configuration of the manual control panel with photos and files DMX in sync. Configuration of the manual control panel with photos. Configuration of the control panel of files of video and files DMX in sync. Adjustment of parameters of video camera or devices for port USB. Adjustment of main monitor and auxiliary monitors. Adjustment of initial values of the sound parameters. Mixer of audio files or video and engraver of audio files. Disc breeding animal with in-sync files of audio and video. Disc breeding animal with files DMX. Disc breeding animal with files of photos and files DMX in sync. Manual control for live events. Tablets of rapid location. Automatic control for events. Lighting control for files DMX. Control of multiple monitors. Record of the application B.E.M. Change of keys. Software integration with program DMX creator and visual pretender of events. Simulation of a concert. Event in the building exterior. Event simulation in the exterior of historical building. Event inside historical building. Simulation of the event in interior of historical building.